Hey, hi everyone. My name is Venkat Karthik. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday. Me along two of my friends were planned to a quick weekend get out ride to Kondapochamma Sagar Reservoir. It was about 270 to 90 kilometers from Hyderabad. Big thanks to my Baba for lending his bike to me today. Thank you, Baba. Mine was still chilling in the garage at home. I need to bring it very soon. Is my friend Anjan, and another guy was Vasant, who is sitting as a pillion guide on my bike. We are just discussing about to which route we have to go. We just started from Getaway and we took Jubilee's route and 45 route from there to Secunderabad. And honestly, I'm not a big fan of giving voiceovers to the videos, but unfortunately my mic got disconnected with the camera with the GoPro instead. So there is no other alternative rather than giving voiceovers to this video. Yeah, we started early in the morning so that we can avoid the traffic. We almost started at 5:30 and reached there at 7 o'clock. Actually, the roads were pretty good and smooth to ride peacefully. We reached the reservoir at 7:20 a.m. Just in time to catch the sunrise early in the morning. The views were literally amazing, guys. Everyone should experience that. There should be some adventure coming in place when I'm going to ride. Actually, they did not allow our bikes to take to the top, but somehow we managed through going to fields, and we have find out some place to get in our bikes on there. The place was absolutely stunning, guys. Everyone should experience that. Like just like calm early morning village feels, like fresh air, greenery all around, the scenic water views. The place was literally fantastic. I have enjoyed a lot, guys. I have enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.